So Murdo, we're out of the performance centre. Clubs are ordered, ready to go, 7 to 10 days. And we're down here on the driving range, which is it's what, 270 metres, quite a substantial
yeah, it's a fair
range.
length. Yeah, you probably knock it over with a 3-wood, but most people struggle, you know.
But that's not all though. We've got obviously grass over there and we've got some mats, performance centre, but this is what I'm really excited about. A little 6-hole golf course.
It's phenomenal. I mean, look, there's some kids out playing just now. It's a great wee course. Every hole's a par 3, as you know, but it's not pitch and putt. You know, they're actually the longest hole's 140 metres. So it's you need most of the clubs if you're a beginner. You know, it's not a driver course obviously, but it gets everybody out there using a few of the clubs, a 7-iron, a 9-iron, chipping, putting. And it gets them learning the game of golf, and it's tricky. You can lose a few balls out there. You know, it's a very Augusta style course. The greens are undulating, and there's a lot of rubbish in between the tees and the greens. Not water, but there's a lot of bushes, and you can get yourself into some serious bother.
And it's quite easy for the hotel guests just to come up here. It's just a little shuttle bus, and here you are.
It's just a case of going to reception, saying, can I get the shuttle bus, or coming into the shop here, or the pro shop down there, ordering the bus. It's up here in 2 minutes. It's a 1 kilometre journey, so they're up in 2 minutes. They can hit balls off the grass 10 months of the year. There's 2 months, December, January, where it's reseeding and the growth is slow, but the rest of the year, most of the time we're hitting off the grass, unless it's exceptional circumstances. We do have mats, but most people hit off the grass,
And I actually played it last year with my family. I've got a 13-year-old and a 7-year-old. And it was just a wonderful way for a family to come out, you know, learn the game and have a bit of fun. And it's great. It only took us an hour or so to get around.
And if you have a lesson at the Cala, you get to play the par 3 course for free.
Wow.
So it's included on the day. It's included a day ticket on the par 3 course. So you book a golf lesson. After the lesson, you can go and play golf.
And we've got the sunshine, and we've got the scenery. So
the sea. What more could you want?
It's all here, folks.